Installing a CMOS battery. Insert the battery into the socket, orienting the battery so that the positive side faces towards the positive side of the socket. Make sure that the battery clip holds the battery securely. For configurations with a drive cage, work through the following actions. Reconnect all the required cables to the drive backplane and then reinstall the drive cage assembly in the node. Reinstall all the drives and drive fillers in the node. For configurations with a front OCP cage, work through the following actions. Reinstall the front OCP cage. Make sure that the OCP cable is connected to the system board and then route the OCP cable through the front air baffle and reinstall it on the front OCP cage with screws. Reinstall the OCP module. Make sure that all the required cables are routed and connected correctly, and then reinstall the top cover. Reinstall the node into the chassis.